Hello everyone, respected panelists, speakers, and members of the audience. I am very pleased to be here today for the opening of this conference on COVID-19. Thank you for joining us in this effort. We are thrilled to have you all with us. Welcome to COVIDCon 2020, the first international virtual conference on COVID-19 conducted by the Indian Medical Association and Academy of Medical Specialties. The aim of this conference is to unite experts of various disciplines in medicine and to present budding doctors and medical students with a bewildering global exposure for a detailed scientific dialogue on the basics of COVIDology. We are battling a pandemic with little knowledge of the virus and rapidly evolving concepts. What was relevant yesterday may not be today. This scientific program has been curated to present to you everything from the history and evolution of coronaviruses to latest advancements and future predictions. COVIDCon 2020 is the brainchild of Dr. Vijay Mohan, Professor and Head of Department of Internal Medicine, Deccan College of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. Dr. Vijay Mohan is known by his peers and students alike for not only his clinical expertise, but also for his encouragement and motivation towards medical education. He is the course director and organizing secretary of COVIDCon 2020. With this, I hand over to the man himself, Dr. Vijay Mohan.
Thank you very much, Asfiya. Thanks for the nice words of introduction. Thank you very much. Firstly, greetings from Hyderabad, India, all of you. A warm welcome to COVIDCon 2020, an international online conference. I'm Dr. Vijay Mohan from Hyderabad, the most happening city of India. We are doctors and medical students. Today, we all know that the whole world is in the grip of COVID-19, causing a global health crisis and global economic crisis. The virus did not leave any country untouched. COVID-19, a new disease and a complex one, many things are still unclear. Thus, the mystery still remains. COVID-19 is killing approximately 50,000 people every week globally and has taken away from us our dear colleague doctors, nurses, and many paramedics, and still counting. It looks like COVID-19 is not going to leave us soon. The light at the end of the tunnel seems to be far away. The vaccination and its availability to many millions look like a dream even today. In view of all this, I thought in the meantime, we should try to learn more about the disease, which is the only way to fight the disease. The COVIDCon 2020 conference is a humble attempt to share our knowledge and experience and also learn more about the disease. COVIDCon 2020 is a special conference in many ways. This is the first time that this magnitude of conference is happening here. Secondly, I have included experts from India and all over the world and also made our undergraduates and postgraduates, medical students to participate and present their talks. Because tomorrow, these young budding doctors are the ones who are going to take over from the senior doctors. The young doctors and students today, in the era of speed of learning, and now is the time for the students to learn. As it is rightly said, a doctor has to live to learn. With this, I thank all the speakers from USA, UK, and India for their participation and sharing their experience and knowledge. I also want to thank all young doctors and medical students across the globe for taking part in this very COVIDCon 2020 with enthusiasm. My thanks also to the attendees and participants all over the world. Thank you once again and welcome to COVIDCon 2020. Thank you all. I request if Dr. Mohan Gupta is around, Mohan Gupta is from IMA. If he is around, otherwise he can join us a little late. Is Mohan Gupta around?
Yes, sir. Vijay Mohan, sir. Good afternoon.
Dr. Mohan Gupta, thank you very much for joining us. I just gave a short introduction and I'm handing over the mic to you, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure, and I welcome you all on behalf of IMA Academy of Medical Specialties headquarters. It is in our Indore, and we are really pleased to be associated with COVIDCon. And we say all specialists and super specialists. This is a specialty wing of IMA, Indian Medical Association of India. And I request all of you who are postgraduates or diploma or degree holders to join and be members of IMA AMS. I wish all the best to COVIDCon 2020. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan Gupta. Now I request Dr. Alexander Hoffman from Portland, USA to say a few words. Dr. Alex.
Greetings, everybody. My name is Alexander Hoffman. I'd like to welcome everyone to attending the first ever COVIDCon 2020. I am in my final year of medical school at Oregon Health and Science University in Portland, Oregon, and I'm honored to be with the other presenters and organizers, attendees of COVIDCon 2020 from across the world. And I'm very excited for the presentations and discussions, learning that we have ahead. I'm saddened that this collaboration has to happen in the setting of such a deadly, world-changing disease that's affected every country across the globe. I think it's worth considering that both India and the United States are the two countries with the greatest number of cases. And while that's led to so much tragedy and hardship, not only for the people who've been sickened with COVID, but their families and just regular people that have had to completely change their lives. I think India and the United States have a natural collaboration in that we've been the worst affected. And perhaps from that, our doctors and students, healthcare providers have learned the most and have gained the most experience in dealing with this terrible disease. So in honor of everything that both of these countries have been through, as well as countries around the world, I'd like to invite you to enjoy the conference today, share as much knowledge as you can and learn as much as you can so that you may better understand this disease and help your future patients. I'd like to thank the organizing committee in Hyderabad, India, all of the students and residents on the organizing committee. I'd like to thank the technical team, as well as all the doctors from India that are going to be involved in this production today. I'd like to recognize the international presenters and panelists coming from my home institution, OHSU, as well as from around the United States of America and even the UK. Especially like to thank Dr. Divya, one of my teachers in Portland, who first connected me to India and taught me some very foundational skills in medicine. I'd like to thank Dr. Mohan Gupta, who just gave the nice introduction, as well as the Indian Medical Association. And last but not least, I'd like to thank Dr. Vijay Mohan and his wonderful wife, Smita, for being wonderful mentors to me. I had the honor to travel to India and learn from Dr. Vijay Mohan in person for several weeks this past January. And it was an unforgettable experience working with Dr. Vijay Mohan and his whole team. And I'm grateful to continue the collaboration. So with that, I'll turn it over back to Dr. Vijay Mohan. Enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Alex.